2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Kwento.
One time, si Dete
3 years ago?
3 years ago, si Dete kasi is afraid of snakes. So, meron ang kwento in real life na na-captured namin, may snake pala sa ilalim ng sink namin sa cabinet na open like
Okay,
that.
okay.
So, here was the start. So, it was like a normal morning, kakagising ko lang. Nung naupo ako, si mama nagwawalis, di ba?
Aka na yan.
Sabi niya, akin na yung walis aya, pakiabot yung walis. Sabi ko,
Tsaka.
okay. Tapos, nakita ko. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung ahas because the ahas was under the dustpan and like, it's like, wait lang. Here, sample. So, the ahas was underneath this like part of the dustpan.
Okay.
Ngayon, nung wala pa kasi akong nakita kasi nakatakpan yung ulan niya. So, when I opened the cabinet, I got the dustpan. Nagano ko, oh my gosh! Mama, there's a ahas underneath the sink in the cabinet. Sabi niya, hindi ahas, baka centipede lang yan. Ganun, sabi ni mama. So, no, mama, no. Naniwala ka sa akin, it's a real ahas. The ahas is kulay black. It's like a baby, like, di ko alam.
Gano'ng kalaki?
Ganito lang siya kalaki, ganyan.
Okay.
And then, tawag si mama. Nung nakita niya yung ahas, gulat siya. Si kuya naliligo. Nung nakita ni mama yung ahas. Sabi ko, nung namin nakita yung ahas, nalabas sa AJ sa banyo. Pinuha niya yung cellphone niya, binidyo na yung ahas. Guys! Sabi ni kuya,
pero na-delete na. Matagal na.
Wala.
Oh, guys.
There's ahas like that. Ahas.
Oo.
So, I was the first one who saw that snake. And then, tawagin ko nga si Tito Makmak. Beep, boop, sabi. Sabi ni mama, Makmak, may ahas dito, can you get it? And then, nung dumating si Tito Makmak, he saw the ahas. So,
then,
he used hindi ko alam ano ginamit niya.
Baka may dalang kahoy.
Baka may dalang
pambambo.
Parang stick or whatever.
Oh.
I-try nang hulihin niya gamit ang ganon, kasi ilalagay doon. Yan. I'm not sure where it came from. I think it's from because under the sink in the cabinet, like that, there's like a hole right here. So I think that snake was under the house and went through it. And then nag-hide siya di sa ilalim nito para hindi siya makita. So when nahuli natin si Tumakmak, I was like, shock talaga ako because I didn't know what to do. So, buti hindi ko siyang ginanon. It's fine kasi wala naman siyang bibig or whatever. So,
paano walang bibig?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko nakita yung bibig niya. Tsaka hindi siya natutunog. Tumutunog. Hindi siya tumutunog. So yan. Gumagalaw naman siya. So, buti hindi ko man hinampas o baka ano mangyari sa akin, ginawa sa akin ng ahas.
Baka matuklaw ka.
Natanggal ko lang. I had nothing to do. Good thing I did the right thing.
Okay.
So, if you encountered any snake or any...
Napatay ba ni Kuya Makmak?
Yes. Any insect or whatever, or any, toxic... basta. If you see that, do not do anything.
Call.
Just call...
the adult person.
There. Don't
magagalit yan, magagalit.
It's gonna be mad at you.
Yeah.
Just, when halimbawa, it's under something, you just take it out, put it aside very quietly para di ma-irritate niya na may
Don't panic. Don't panic.
Just stay calm. Don't hampas it like that or it's gonna get you.
Okay. Thank you for the storytelling.
The moral of the story, do not panic when something bad is gonna happen.
Okay. Thank you sa good story. Okay. Thank you, ate. Bye.
Bye.